Hey, do you want to calculate the age in years, months, and days exactly in Excel? Just changing the date of birth like this. Or do you want to calculate the warranty expiry date by just inputting the months of warranty like this? Then you are at the right place. We are going to learn in this video very useful formula which are related to date. The formulas are dated if and e-date formula. Hello all and welcome to Boost Your Career, the place where you learn the skills to grow in your career. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and see how the dated if formula works. Dated if formula calculates the difference between the dates, two dates, in years, in months and in number of days. First of all, we are going to go ahead and calculate the difference between the dates in years, that is age in years. For example, here the first date of birth is given as 1st Jan 1999. I want to calculate the age in years. I'll put the formula dated if is equal to dated if open bracket. Here we need to put open bracket because tab will not work over here. This formula is not in the list. Now first is the date from where I want to calculate the difference. So I will take this date from where I want to calculate the difference, that is age. Date of birth, I have taken date of birth first, comma. Next is till what date I want to calculate the difference. Till today I want to calculate difference. So I will use the formula today. Today, open bracket, close bracket. And then comma again. So I'm putting this three strings over here. First is the date from where I want to calculate the difference. Next is till date till what date I want to calculate, that is today, open bracket, close bracket, and the format. Last one is format. So for that I will put years. For that I will put y, but that should be put between two double inverted commas. So double inverted comma y, double inverted comma, and this completes my dated if formula. Simple dated if formula to calculate age in years. So first of all, dated if, age from where I want to start, the date till what I want to calculate the difference, that is today, and the format, that is between two double inverted commas y, and I will just press enter now. So the age is 22. I'll just change the date of birth and see it's changing to 21. So age in years is 21. Now here I want to calculate exact age, that means number of years, number of months, and number of days. Plus I want to add, after years 21 I want to add years in words. After months I want to add months in years, and after days I want to add days written in years in the words. So for that I am going to combine three formulas and these three words together, years, months, and days. Let us see how it goes ahead. It's very interesting. Is equal to dated if, open bracket. So as I told you, from which date I want a difference. From date of birth I want a difference, comma, till what date I want a difference, today. So I will write here today, open bracket, close bracket, comma. What kind of a format? The first I want a years. So I'll put here double inverted commas, y, double inverted commas. The same formula which we have put for years. So that completes our first formula. So I'll close the bracket. But after that I want something written over here. So I want years to be written over here. So I'll combine that with and double inverted commas, years. So before years I'm putting space. After years also I'm putting space, and complete double inverted commas. So this will give me 21 space years, and then space again. So this completes the first formula and then the second formula. For that I will combine this with and. Again, dated if, open bracket, start date is date of birth, comma, till what date, today, open bracket, close bracket, comma. Now the format is what? Number of months, year, months, number. So years have been completed and we want to put number of months from this year which is being completed. So for that I will use the format as double inverted commas ym. So this will give me the months from the last birthday, number of months. Now this will complete my second formula, dated if, date of birth till today, and ym. Now after this I want months to be returned, so that I will combine with and double inverted comma space months space double inverted commas. Months will be written over there. So once that is done, I will combine this with dated if formula for days. Now for that I will use and again to combine the formulas. Now again the last one is for number of days. So dated if, open bracket, from which date, from the same B5. So I will write here B5 comma till what date, till today, open bracket close bracket, comma. Now here months, now here months days, the format should be months days. From last month completed, how many days will be completed for that particular date of birth, and that will complete my last formula for days. Now after this again I want to write something which is being combined with and function, and that returns should be, that is space days, and complete the double inverted commas. So this complete my formula, which combines three different formulas. One is for years, another is for months, and third is for days. How did I? And also I added some words in between, which are words years, months, and days. So look at here. Here again, what is the formula? Dated if, start date is date of birth, B5 cell till today. So today, open bracket close bracket, format is comma, format is y. So in double inverted commas y, and that should be combined with written in words as years. So and double inverted commas space years space complete double inverted commas. And now the second formula, dated if, again B5 cell till today. So comma today, open bracket close bracket, comma. Now for this months from the years, so double inverted commas ym, complete double inverted commas, and complete the complete the bracket. This completes my second formula. Now the third formula, before that I want to write something which is months. So and double inverted commas space months double inverted commas, and the last formula is for days. So and dated if, again date of birth, comma till today. So today, open bracket close bracket, comma. And now here from months till dates, so I will use MD as a format. So double inverted commas MD, complete double inverted commas. Now this will complete my third formula, and I will complete the bracket. After that I want days to be returned. So I will combine this with and open double inverted commas space days and complete double inverted commas. Now this completes my formula. Let us see. I will just press enter. You can see here exact day, age I am calculating with the help of dated if formula. 21 years 4 months 15 days as of today. And what is today's date is 16th of May. What is the date of birth? 1st of Jan. If I change that, say 5/16/2000. So 5/16/2000 means 16th of May 2000. So exact year age in years is 21, and exact age in months and days is 21 years 0 months and 0 days, because it is 16th May and today is 16th May, is 2000. Okay, now if I want to calculate, this was still today, if I want to calculate the age till particular date, for example in this case I want to calculate the age as of 1/1/2021, then how do I go about it? It's very simple. Again I will put the formula. I can copy this formula over here and make the changes, but here I will type the formula for you all just to revise the formula. So is equal to dated if, open bracket from which date, from date of birth, comma, till what date, till 1/1/21. So I will write here in double inverted commas 1/1/2021, complete double inverted commas. Now this should be in double inverted commas, comma. Now the format in years, so double into comma y, double into comma, and complete the first formula. So this will give me the age in years till 1st January 2021 in years. After that I want to write years, so and double into comma space years space complete double inverted commas, and the next formula will start. For that I will combine this formula using and. Now the next formula, dated, if open bracket, again date of birth, comma, till which date, till 1/1/2021, so that should be in double inverted commas 1/1/2021, complete double inverted commas, and then comma, and then this time which format, I want number of months, so between double inverted commas ym, complete double inverted commas, complete double inverted commas, and then this will complete my second formula. So I'll complete the bracket for second formula. Now this bracket is completed for this formula, so second formula is completed. This will give me number of months. Now this, after this it should be written as months, so and double inverted commas space months space double inverted commas. Now this will be written as months. Now after that I want to write a last formula. For that I will combine this with and the last formula is again dated, if open bracket, from which date, from date of birth, that is B5, comma, till which date, till, in double inverted commas 1/1/2021, complete double inverted commas, and then comma. Then what is the format now? Format for a date, so double inverted commas month, days, number of months after that last month is completed, and then complete double inverted commas. Now this will complete my third formula, so I will complete the bracket now. So this will give me number of days, but after this I want to write in days as a words, so I will again put and then double inverted comma space days, and then complete double inverted commas. Look here again, what we have put over here, we have just changed the days and that date. So till what date I want to calculate difference, only that date I had changed over here, and that date should be put in double inverted commas everywhere. Just see whether it's right or wrong. Yes, exactly. So 20 years 7 months and 16 days. Now this is as of 1/1/2021, and this age is as of today, that is May 16, 2021. So this is how you calculate the difference. I will again put some other formula, other date, 2003, and copy the formula down. You can see the age is automatically calculated over here. So this is the way we can calculate exact age in years, months, and days. Now suppose the second example is of e-date formula. Now in this particular data, if you see, we have product warranty in months, that should be written, and we want to calculate the expiry date, and here in this column we want to write something before that expiry date. That means we want to add the text before this day, before this formula, which will appear over here. So let us go ahead and see how the e-date formula works. So first of all, I will put the warranty in years, in months, like this, 12, 36, like 12, enter 36 like this, and let us see how I can calculate warranty expiry date, considering the sale has been done today. The sale has been done today. For that I will use the function called e-date. So is equal to, e-date is for end date, tab, I can use the tab over here, start date, and number of months it is asking. So start date is today because the sale has happened today. From today's From today's date, we want to calculate what is the end date after 24 months. So I'll use the formula again, today, open bracket, close bracket, comma, and how many months? Now this cell I will select for 24 months, and then I will complete the formula. Let us see what I put. End date, I want to calculate the date after 24 months from today. If you consider today's date as a sale date, we want to calculate the expiry date 24 months later. So E date, start date is today. So today I use the formula today, open bracket, close bracket, comma, how many months? 24 months. So for that I have used the cell over here and just press enter. Now if you see here, today's date is 16th May 2021, and after 24 months it comes as 16th May 2023. But the expiry happens one day prior to the sale date. Sale date is 16th May, so it should happen one day prior to that. So I'll just go ahead and put -1 over here, and I will get that particular date. For other products, for example, for this one it is coming as 15th of May 24, and for this is 15th of May 2022. So this is the way I calculate the expiry date. Now here I want to add a text before that. For example, this is the date which is given over here. I want to add some text in this particular cell. So is equal to, and that text is expiry date, for example. So I put expiry date in double inverted commas, space, and I will put colon over here or hyphen over here, space, and complete double inverted commas. So this particular text will be added before this particular date. And if I go ahead and select this particular cell, what happens? Let us see. It is not giving me correct result. Why it is not giving me correct result? Because this particular date is taken as number over here. So I cannot use here the cell number. So I need to convert this cell number into text. So for that I will use the function called text. Open bracket. Now value, what is it asking? Value format text. So value is this needs to be formatted. So comma, so J5, that is this particular cell, comma, and what is the format I want to use? I want to use a format like DD. So for that I am going to put double inverted commas, DD hyphen MMM hyphen YY and complete double inverted commas. Let us see what I put over here. I want to add the text before the formula, before the date. So I have started with expiry date between double inverted commas and combined with the formula and text of what? Text of this particular cell. So I selected J5 and comma, and what is the format that I want to use? Double inverted comma, DD hyphen MMM hyphen YY. So that is the formula I use. Let us see. Yeah, so I need to complete the bracket, so I will say yes to this. Now you can see here the result is giving correct expiry date dash 15th May 23. If I copy this down, 15th May 2022, 15th May 2024. So this is the way I can combine the text into the date by using the formula called text over here. So we have learned three very important formulas related to dates. First is dative. To find out the exact age, the difference between the two dates. E date, again, if the months are given, we can calculate the exact warranty expiry date. And third, how to combine the text with the date by using the text formula. I hope this video was very valuable and very useful to you. Please do subscribe to this channel to learn the skills to grow in your career. Have a nice day ahead, and we'll meet in a next video. Bye bye for now.